want him anymore.
Yeah, if you don't want your dog anymore.
We will never do that.
You will never do this.
No.
How much you love your dog?
A lot.
A lot.
More than a lot.
More than a lot.
Yeah.
You love more your sister or your dog?
Love more my dog. Sorry.
You love more than sister.
Ik hou meer van sister dan van jou.
ये शॉप जी स्पेशल है जिसमें आपको कुत्ते, बिल्लियाँ और उन सब के लिए चीज़ें खाने पीने की मिलती हैं. Excuse me? Okay. Can you please tell normally which kind of things dog eat? Which kind of things the dog eat usually? Okay, no, I'm asking that which kind of things dogs eat.
I don't know how to say it.
How to say it? And you can say. And what kind of cats eat? What you are buying now?
Dogs.
This price for cat or for yourself? For dog. This is a toy for dog.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. And what is this? This is also a toy?
Yeah, for dogs.
For dogs. How dog will play with this? This some kind of champion?
Yeah.
And this is a dogs eating and rabbits also.
Rabbits over there.
And what they eat?
You only have dogs.
You only have dog. How many dogs you have? Two dogs. Only yours. Here at.
One and.
This is your mom. You have one dog and you have. And normally there is one dog at home or every person has its own dog.
No, I have my own dog. She has a dog.
And how many dogs you have?
Same. We are together. Yeah.
She is your sister.
With us. With all of us.
You are. This is your mom.
Yeah.
And you are both sisters. Definitely, then you will live together. So you have two dogs at home. Oh. And after how many days you buy eating for dogs? Food.
Yes.
How much food dogs eat in a day or in a week or? Two times. And what is normally you can tell which kind of food dogs eat? Dry food.
Yeah.
What kind of thing? Where it is this? ये है जी डॉग्स की खाने पीने की
स्टैटिस्टिक के मुताबिक तकरीबन
These are all dog food.
बेल्जियम की कुल आबादी 11.5 मिलियन है जिनमें कुत्ते और बिल्लियों की
Pizza,
आबादी
potatoes.
ज़्यादा से
No, dog eat potatoes.
34 लाख कुत्ते और बिल्लियाँ हैं और
No, dog eat meat.
11 मिलियन है.
And you have also cats.
तीसरे चौथे बंदे के पास कुत्ता
You like more cat or dog?
और एनुअली
Dog. Yeah, most of people Belgium girls have dogs. And a little bit people have cats. What is the reason why people love more dogs than cats? In your opinion? Oh, what do you think? Why people love more dogs?
Dogs are more human.
Dogs are more. Yeah, that's good. Dogs more friendly, more humanly. Oh.
I think so. I don't know.
Okay, this is a dog section, and this is also dog section. This is I think horse.
It's for dog.
It's also for dogs.
Oh,
And
I think it's
Can you please show me other things which animals eat or something like that? You can help me.
What are dogs?
No. What other things? These are the toys, not?
Yeah. Dogs.
These are the toys for dogs. All toys for dogs.
All.
Only for dogs, or other animals also have some kind of like this also.
Yeah. Yeah.
And these are the.
All for dogs. Cats. Oh yeah.
And what is this?
Food.
This is also food. This is some type of some sort of grassy things.
You can give it to anyone.
Oh, any dog. And what is this? This is some kind of chocolate.
For dogs.
This is also for chocolate.
Right.
Dogs. And what is this?
It's for mini dogs.
Son? Mini dogs.
Yeah.
So there are different. This is for the baby dogs.
No, not puppies. A small size.
The small size dog. And what is exactly this?
With beef and vegetables.
Beef and butcher. And what is the favorite food of dogs? What is favorite food of your dog? Beef. You buy here or make at home?